And now we come behind with a nice little pour of our green goodness. Look at that.
It's floating. Oh, no, it's not.
Crown Apple Jolly Rancher Jello shots. Let's do it! Guys, I come in with our hot water, and now I need 8 ounces of this bad boy. Oh God, it's hot. Look at how hot that bad boy is. Now I come behind with my Jolly Rancher Jello, okay? Jolly Rancher makes Jello, Starburst makes Jello. Who else have their own Jello?
Wendy's or something.
Wendy's have a Jello? Sonic have a Jello? They food places, ladies and gentlemen, that sell burgers. Why they have I don't know if it's a Jello burger, I don't know. That just sounds disgusting, but hey, teach his own.
Look at the color.
So we got that in there. Now we come behind, give this a nice little stir. So guys, I can let this cool down just a little bit before I add in my base, okay? Because I don't want this to burn off. Let's see if this even smells like apple. It smells pretty appley. So guys, I think it's kind of cool now, cool enough. So now we grab our Jolly Green goodness.
Brown.
Okay, our brown goodness. We hit it with a little bit. You won't go heavy, homeboy, because you can just make it taste by doing that. Just give it a nice little hit, you know? An ounce, maybe 2, no more than that. 3 if you're really pushing it. The thing is, the more of this you add, the less likely the Jello is to harden. But that's why we have it in these cups. So you could add a little bit more booze than usual because you don't need it to get like firm. Okay? So we got 4 there. And now I got my apple rings. Fresh off the press, homeboy. He's straight out the factory. One for you. One for you. One for you. And one for you. And now we come behind with a nice little pour of our green goodness. Look at that.
It's floating. Oh.
Okay, all right. Okay. I ain't got time to waste trying to separate y'all. Y'all evidently want to be together. You never break up true love, ladies and gentlemen. Fine! And now to the fridge. Okay, guys, back! You remember that one I did with 2? Look at that. Look how that came out. It's beautiful. You can see the candy in there. This is the party. The party. Look at that. I even build in pyramids, okay? And there you have it. Crown Apple Jolly Rancher Jello shots, homeboy. Good to go. Okay, we got one right here at the bottom with 2. That was dumb putting the weight on there. Okay, this one right here got 2. Okay, for someone special. If you love her, let her taste one of these. Baby, I love you. Here's 2 in that. Okay, don't tell nobody.